Hi, I'm Skip Richter with Texas A&M AgriLife Extension Service, and I'm here today to talk about weeds. Now I know you probably don't have weeds in your garden. I certainly don't allow them in mine, but let's just say they show up. Or maybe your neighbor has some and you want to give them some advice, okay? Well, there's three great ways to manage your weeds. The first way is simply to use an organic mulch on the surface. Weed seeds need light hitting the soil to germinate. In fact, we say wherever sunlight hits the soil, nature plants a weed. Well, when you put a mulch over the surface, it blocks the light out and prevents weed seeds from getting started. Now, perennial weeds can push right through a light mulch, and so for them, we switch over and start to use newspaper on the surface. When you put 4 to 6 sheets of newspaper down on the surface of the soil, and then throw an organic mulch on top of that, it will block out the weeds for the remainder of that particular gardening season. It lasts about 3 or 4 months. Now, another tip that you can use is when you're laying the newspaper down, you want to wet it as you lay it because it blows away very easily in the slightest breeze. So as I lay newspaper, I like to put it down, again, 4 to 6 sheets thick, and I want to cover it about halfway, or about 2 inches over the edges of the paper as I lay it. When I come to a plant like this, I just tear the newspaper and lay it down on both sides of the plant, and then throw the mulch right over it. When you're done doing this, you see no newspaper. It does an awesome job for several months, and you won't have to come back and do any more weeding again. For more information on gardening, check out the Aggie Horticulture website, where there's a wealth of free publications on all aspects of gardening from Texas A&M AgriLife.